So everywhere we go, there are some positives and some negatives. So the place where we are born, there's a combination of positive and negative. So for Duryodhan, the positive was he was born in royalty, in royal comfort. The negative was that he did not have a clear claim to being a king. For the Pandavas, the positive was that they were born amongst sages, that they had loving parents, at least in their childhood. They had sages who taught them wisdom. They got good samskaras. But then, because their father had retired, so they didn't again have a clear claim to the kingdom. And because their father passed away, then they became orphans. So the point is, life is a combination of positive and negative for both. And throughout our life also, there are some times when something positive comes to us, and there are times when some negative comes to us. And like that, life alternates. So what I mean by positive and negative comes to us is, when something negative comes to us, that means we may put in effort worth 100, but if the past karma is negative, then you might get result worth 10 only. Sometimes we put in effort worth 10 and we might get result worth 100 also, because the past karma is positive. So in Greek mythology, there is a term called the Midas touch. So you touch something, it turns into gold. So I was in Florida, I was giving a talk on destiny and karma. So one young man came to me and he asked me, have you heard of this Midas touch? So I said, yeah. So he said, I think I have got the reverse Midas touch. He said, whatever I touch seems to fall apart. So I told him, with all due respect, don't be so proud of yourself. So what I meant is that nobody has the capacity to destroy everything around them. It is just that sometimes we go through a bad phase in life. So that bad phase, it is temporary. That when we are going through a bad phase, don't be discouraged. Don't lose hope. When we are going through a hard time, know that it is a phase. We may feel this will never end, but nothing lasts forever. Everything will end. Things will become easier with time.